welcome back to Shiva Educations. I'm Anjithin Kundappu with another lovely video in connection with the cherry fruit. Today I plucked cherry from strawberry, so I need to prepare one cherry juice. It is certainly good for insomnia. ഉറക്കക്കുറവിന് ഒരു ശാസ്ത്രീയ പരിഹാരമാണിത്. So let me take few to the blender. Not much. So firstly we can prepare. No need of preparing it so early. Okay, this one is okay. In addition to that one, I'm going to add 2 or 3 pellets of sugar free. You know, this cherry juice already contain natural sugar. So that's it. So to this I am adding cool drinking water. Okay, it's okay. So I'm going to close it. See. So it's okay. See, cherry juice is ready. So I'm eagerly waiting to drink a small quantity of instant fresh cherry juice. For that I'm going to pour it into the. So I don't want to. Oh. Oh, it contains potassium, vitamin A, vitamin C, rich quantity of iron, etc. It is good for shortage of sleep.